Hello guys, this is Ripon Uchan Chapel from WP Theme Hut. So today we'll learn how you can make your WordPress website. So for making your WordPress website, we will use a WordPress theme that is called TechBeach. And remember that it's a premium theme from Theme Forest. So after purchase the theme, we'll download our theme and in download folder you will get one folder that is TechBeach final, and what we need to do is we need to extract this zip file here. So after uncompressed the file, then we need to go inside the TechBeach final. Then you can see four folder here. That one is demo data, one is documentation, one is TechBeach, and one is TechBeach child. So this is our main theme file here. So we need to upload this in our WordPress theme. So I hope you guys know that how to install a WordPress theme. If you don't know, then please follow me. So you need to go here, appearance, then click on themes, then click on here add new. Then as you know, this is a premium theme, so we will not find it in here. So we'll need to click here upload theme, and after that you can go on your theme locations here, TechBeach, and drag and drop here, or you can click on choose file, then select the location. So after drag and drop, we will click on install now. So after completing the installation, you can see it like here, and then we need to click on activate. And after activating our main theme here, we need to install the required plugin by TechBeach. So we'll click on begin installing plugin. Then we need to check the box here and click on install. Then all plugin will be installed in few minutes. After completing the installation, we need to click on here return to required plugin installer. Then after that we need to click here and then click on activate, then click on apply. Then the installation plugin will be activated. So all the plugins has been installed. What we can do is we can reload here, or we can click on dashboard here. Yeah, so now the plugin setup things is coming here. We will not spend time on here. We will give the cross here so that we can go on further steps. So a lot of sub menu will come here for the plugin installation. So from that we will have a look here. So this is the initial look of our theme. After installing the stuff and installing the plugin, you can see it's only the blog stuff is here. So what we will do is we will install our demo data here. So what we need to do is we need to go here appearance, then click here on import demo data. Then you can see the version is 2.6.6 is running now. So we will give update if you need in future. So we'll click on import demo data here, and we'll not give any kind of check here because this is not required by our theme. So we'll click on continue and import, and it will take few moments to import all the data. Till then wait. So within few minutes your demo will be import. So now we'll visit our logo of our website. So go on here and click on visit site, then open it in a new tab. Then yeah, boom, you are having a tremendous website that have been made with our pre-built layout na. So now we'll check how you can edit some content and edit header footer in here. So after visiting the site, you will see like this now. So we are having header and footer builder. So it's working in different technology here. So if you like wanted to change this homepage header, it is one homepage, and we are having like 9 homepages here. You can see it. We have so many home pages. We are having some blog pages here. We are having shop pages here. So this is home to, you can set it as your main home page now, so you can check it out and set it as a main home page of your website. So we are having some blog post here, and we are having some cool design now, and we are having, okay, maybe the shop page is not here, because we need, for accessing the shop page, we need to go here, pages, and then go to shop. Yeah, so the shop page ID has been changed after the demo import. So here is the shop things here now. So you are having the look of our website here. So what we need to do is, if you like want to change our header, so what you need to do is, you need to go here, like you want to change this header homepage. You need to click here like header 1, and you can see this header builder here now. And obviously you can click here edit with Elementor, and yeah, boom. So in here you can edit your like change your website logo with another image. No, it will be fun to change with this one. Okay, I've changed it. I know it's not looking so good here, but you can change with your own logo. And here is our menu. Here is your search bar, and it is a different add-ons things here. You can edit easily. You can set your background from here. No? So this you can edit your website header as I shown, and you can click on update here. So if you have changed your header things, and now you want to set your header. So by default we are having like maybe 6 to 7 header. Yeah, we are having 10 headers by default. We are having 10 header styles here. You can check each of them, the design things. And suppose this is our home one things, you can edit your content from here. Now you want to set your header 10, suppose this one, you want this header to be set on here now. So what you need to do is, you need to click on here settings, then go on header options, then here is a pre-built, this is our pre-built header now. So what we need to do is, we need to go on here and click on header builder, and we need to change our header, like we want here the header 4. So we will click on update, then we will click here preview changes. So it's the live things that you are watching. So you see the header style has been changed here. Obviously then this is a header 4, you need to edit your header 4 content from here. So you need to click here again to change your header 4 content. So now you can change your logo of that specific homepage. You can change the header, the social icons here now. You can change it, you can give your URLs, all the stuffs from here. So it's pretty fun with the header builder of our themes. So now we will show you how you can edit your content. So as you can see, this is a layer, premium layer slider that is already built in with our TechBiz WordPress theme. So you will go on here and click on the project, and you can open project editor. so it will take you directly to the slider editor here, that is layer slider, and it's a premium slider now. So suppose you want to change the title, so you click on title here, and top professional IT, you can change the title change here now. So this is for desktop version, and you need to also change it also on tablet. So this is the title for the tablet version, you can see. So you need to change the title here also. And also on mobile. So for changing all this stuff, content, you need to change in 3 places: on desktop version, and this is tablet version, and this is mobile version. So you need to change that 3 things in 3 things to change it on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. And then after changing all that stuffs, obviously you can change the background image also from here now. So for changing the background image, you need to go on the slide, and then you can change the background image from here, and then after that you can click on publish. So okay, published, and changes has been changed. So now you can skip this here, and you will see your live update here. As I see title change here, you can see the title. So we are having another sections here, like this is a section title, and you can change your section title changed. So you can see the section title has been changed, and you can say change the section description here, and you can change your this content also. You can change your button text, you can change this image too, and obviously you can set the color of this section titles, or even your subtitles color, or even your descriptions color. So you can totally change it, and after changing all kind of things, you can check this also. So it's drag and drop, and just changing your content from here now. So after changing all that stuffs, you can click on here update. So we have shown you guys how you can change your header, how can edit your slider, how you can edit your content of your website. Now it's the footer part. So this footer things, it works like the header now. So you can see here edit with Elementor, and you can see how we have edited our header by clicking on this. So for editing the footer, we need to click on here, footer 1. So this header and footer, this is for specific page only. So it's like Elementor. Now you need to change this content only. You see, you need to just only change the content here. So I think you can do that by clicking here. You can type your URL, you can type your text, and just click and change it. Just click and change it. This is it. So this is how you can change your header and footer stuffs in a specific page. Now if you want to change your header and footer on all of your web pages, then you need to go to here, text these options, then go on header, and suppose we will visit our store. So you can see this is the store page here, and it is having this header now, and this is header 1. So in text these options, in the header we'll go here, and you can see the header options is header builder, and the selection of the header is header 1. So we'll change it to header 1 to like header 9. So after change it, we'll click on save changes. So the header will be changes for all of our website. So we'll click on refresh here. Yeah, you see our header has been changed here. Now it's time for changing our footer. So you see this footer things here. So what we need to do is we need to click on here footer, then the footer builder. You can see the footer 1 here, then we will give it to footer 5. So after that click on save changes. So we can refresh it here, and you see the footer has been changed here. So it's easy, na? It's easy to change your footer things. So this way you can change your header and footer all over of your website, na? So and one more thing here, you can see that add to wish list is broken here. So for fixing that, you need to go on here in TI wish list, then export import things. Here you can see, then we need to go our demo data file and need to extract it. After that we'll go inside our demo data, then you can see the wishlist file here, and we need to drag and drop this in here, then click on import. So we'll drag and drop this JSON file and take it here, and we'll click on import and click on save changes here. So after that we can refresh in our shop pages, and you see our wishlist button has gone, and it has been added on the shop details only. So this is the perfect way that you can make your website with our TechBiz WordPress theme. I hope you guys have enjoyed a lot. If you guys are having any question, you guys can ask me on our support system.